Hi, in front of me is ASUS Rog Phone 5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now scroll down, tap on security and lock screen and choose face recognition. Enter your current login method, read the disclaimer and tap next after 5 seconds. Now pick one of the options. How do you want the lock screen to display? I will go with don't show notifications at all, so I have to tap on it, click done, and then click turn on at the bottom right corner to unlock your device by face recognition feature. So now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!